So I was watching the skin from LG and they use a slide which I think you guys will really like. Let's have a look. So here we see the speaker on stage with a minimal image on the screen, and as soon as he clicks we see a text appear and everything fade out a little bit except for those washing machines, and that really puts the emphasis on the topic. Now I thought that was a really cool way to show or emphasize a product in your presentation. Now to do this, there's two things we need. First we need a nice image and then we need to know the effect. So first of all, to get the image I'm going to use an AI generator Midjourney. You can use any that you want or use an existing image that you have. So for this one, the prompt I've used is a minimal room with two washing machines next to each other, some laundry, closets, plants, and overall a minimal aesthetic of the picture. And that gave us this result, and that's one we're going to use in this presentation. So let's jump into PowerPoint. And for that, we're going to start from a blank slide and we're going to paste the image on the screen. So here we have it, we just fill the entire screen. Now we want to have that highlight effect. So I'm going to drag a rectangle, go to shapes, get a rectangle, and drag it from the top left corner to the bottom right. For the color, I'm going to use a dark gray and then no outline. You can also use black if you want, that doesn't really matter, so I'm going for a very dark tone. Now I'm going to right click format shape and I'm going to fill and add some transparency to it, just like 25. Can be more, can be less, depends a bit on the picture that you have. Now we're going to add a rectangle on top, and with this we're going to cover the washing machines. Just like this. No outline, color doesn't matter. Now it's important that we do the order right, so we select the large rectangle, the transparent one, we hold shift and select the second one. Then we go to shape format, merge shapes, and then we do subtract. In this way we cut out that part from the image. So this already gives us that highlight effect, which is really cool. And now there's a few more things to add to the slide, so we're going to add a text box, add it here on top, and we do 0 labor home. I'm going to use a white font, and maybe for something a bit more modern, up there next, and we choose a sub font demi-bold. Let's try 45, maybe a bit more, and then center it in the middle. Place a bit lower. There we go. Now that we have this, we want to look at the animation part. And for that, I'm going to right click, duplicate the slide, and on the first one, I'm going to select the shape, format shape, and then transparency, we do it all the way to 100%. And the text we're going to remove. You can add some effects to it, I'm just going to keep it simple like this. Select the second slide, go to transitions, and morph. And here you can already see it. Now let's play that on full screen. And here you can see the really nice opening slide, and then as soon as we click, we get that fade in, the focus on the products, and the text appearing on the slide. And I think it's a really cool effect for your presentation. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you want, you can have a look at my website, slidesbysander.com, where you can find templates, reach out to me for custom work, or have a look at the course information that is available.